Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to change the header height on your WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and modify the header's padding height to suit your design needs. We will begin by accessing the WordPress platform and continue through a series of simple navigation steps that will eventually lead you to adjusting the header's dimensions. First, open your web browser and go directly to the WordPress website. Once the page is loaded, look for the login option usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this login area will allow you to access your account and begin modifying your site. After selecting the login option, you should see a choice to continue with your Google account. Choose the option labeled Continue with Google, then pick the Google account you wish to use. This secure method of logging in ensures that you can quickly access your WordPress dashboard without the trouble of entering additional credentials. After you have successfully signed into your account, you will be directed to the site's main dashboard. Look for a section labeled Quick Links. This area is designed to give you immediate access to the most commonly used site functions. Within Quick Links, find and click on the option that says Edit Site. This will take you into the site customization area where you can make design changes to your website. Now that you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the header section of your website. Locate the header, which is typically positioned at the top of your page. By clicking on the header, you are indicating that you want to adjust its properties rather than modifying the content below. Once the header is selected, a variety of customization options will appear. Continue by transitioning to the Styles tab that is available in the editor. This tab contains visual and design options that allow you to change various aspects of your website's appearance. It is important to select the Styles tab, as the settings you need to adjust for the header height are contained within it. After selecting the styles, find and navigate to the Dimensions option. This section specifically handles the spacing and padding within different areas of your website layout. Within the Dimensions area, you will now see an option to adjust the padding height of the header. This is where you can tailor the size of your header so that it can fit the design and functional purpose of your website. Adjust the padding height according to your preference by either increasing it for more visual space or decreasing it for a more compact design. As you modify this setting, you will likely notice an immediate visual change in the header's appearance, giving you a preview of your design adjustment. This completes the process of changing the header height on your WordPress website. Following these clear and logical steps, starting from logging in, accessing the site editor, and finally modifying the padding height, will ensure your website header perfectly complements your overall design. Enjoy customizing your site, and feel free to experiment with different padding settings until you achieve the look you desire.